Alright, folks, let's talk about the hot topic on everyone's mind. And I mean literally hot. Do you know that every time you drive a car, charge your phone, or even eat a cheeseburger, you're leaving behind an invisible mark? Not a footprint in the dirt, but a carbon footprint. And here's the twist. This footprint isn't just a minor smudge. It's stacking up worldwide, changing weather, melting glaciers, and even messing with your morning coffee supply. But don't just panic yet, because today we're breaking down exactly why climate change happens, how your daily choices shape the planet, and most importantly, how you can be part of the solution. Let's jump in. Alright, let's break it down. Climate change is basically the Earth's way of overheating. But unlike your phone after a long gaming session, this isn't something we can just cool off by taking a break. You see, our planet has a natural way of staying the perfect temperature. Think of it as like a cozy blanket made of gases, keeping us warm, but not too warm. But over time, humans have piled on more and more layers, trapping too much heat and throwing the balance out of whack. Burning fossil fuels for cars, factories, and electricity releases extra greenhouse gases. Cutting down forests means fewer trees to absorb carbon dioxide. Mass farming and waste production pump even mean more heat-trapping gases in the air. And the result? More heat waves, storms, rising seas, and all sorts of climate chaos. But here's the good news. We're not stuck in this overheating cycle forever. Humans created this problem, which means we can fix it. And I'll show you how. Alright, team, time for real action. Because knowing the problem is great, but doing something about it, that's where magic happens. Here are some simple but powerful ways to shrink your carbon footprint and help cool down our planet. Choose greener transportation. Walk, bike, carpool, and take public transport when you can. Less gas, more fresh air. Use energy wisely. Turn off lights and electronics when you're not using them. Switch to LED bulbs and efficient choices. Eat more plant-based meals. You don't have to go full vegan, but even swapping out a few meat-based meals for plant-based ones cuts emissions big time. Shop smarter, buy less, and choose sustainable products. Fast fashion and wasteful packaging? Nah, we don't do that here. Plant trees and support green spaces. If you can't plant one yourself, support groups that do. Trees absorb carbon and literally clean the air for us. Spread the word. Share eco-friendly tips with family, friends, and people online. Change happens faster with more people involved. See, small steps add up. Climate change didn't happen overnight, and fixing it will take all of us doing our part. And guess what? You just took your first step by learning. Now, are you ready for the next challenge? And there you have it. Climate change is real, but it's not unbeatable. Every choice you make, from what you eat, to you travel, to the way you shop, is like planting a seed. Some choices help the planet thrive. Others, well, let's just say, they make it harder for nature to do its job. But now, you know the power you have. The little things, turning off unused lights, biking when possible, supporting sustainable brands, they add up. So, what's your next move? Let's keep growing, keep learning, and keep changing the world together.